Hi guys, this is Usman from my server mentor, and today I'm gonna talk about how you can set up your domain on Cloudflare to manage its DNS records. Cloudflare basically is a content delivery network that protects your domain's whois information on the internet and also serves the content of your website with minimum latency. It also provides the native HTTPS port for your website. So enough intro, now let's get straight into the business. First of all, you need to have an account with Cloudflare. To create an account with Cloudflare, you just need to click on this sign up button and follow the on-screen instructions. I have already signed up, so I will click on this login button to log into my Cloudflare account. After logging into your Cloudflare account, you just need to click on this add a site button here. Enter your domain name here that you want to add to your Cloudflare account. And click on this add site button. After that, you will be prompted to select a plan as per your business needs. For now, we are going to opt the free option. Click on this get started button. Next, Cloudflare will scan for your existing DNS records and show them on your screen. Just click on the continue button. And now Cloudflare is asking us to change the name servers for our domain. Our existing name servers are enlisted this by Cloudflare and we need to change them to these name servers. So click to copy the name server and go to your domain registrar. Click on the manage section for your domain and try to manage the name servers here. Delete the existing name records. And paste the new name server record as per Cloudflare preferences. Copy the second record and paste it here as well. Click on Save Changes. This name server migration will take a few moments to take effect. Registrars can take up to 24 hours to process the name server updates. So please click on this done check name servers if your name servers are updated. Cloudflare will also send you an email on your registered email ID if your name servers are updated or not. Let's check our email for the confirmation if the Cloudflare has set up our domain or not. You can see that Cloudflare status active email has been sent to us and it has shown that the DNS records are also changed. So let's move forward and click on this configuration recommendations button. There are two configurational recommendations from Cloudflare. One is to use HTTPS and other is to minify the JavaScript and CSS files. But I would recommend to not apply those recommendations if your website is under construction right now. So just click on this overview button here. Great news, Cloudflare is not protecting your website. Click on the DNS records for the website. Let's delete our old A records for our domain. Click on the edit button and click this delete button to delete that record. You may or may not get those old records. We can see that A records have already been added for our domain, and we can add any other domains like text records or mail exchange records, etc. So guys, this is how we can set up our domain on Cloudflare to manage our DNS records easily and to protect our whois information. I hope you have liked this video, and if you have any queries, please do ask me in the comment section below. Please do subscribe to my channel to get more such content. Until next time, goodbye.